A is for alligator, B is for bear, C is for cat, D is for deer, E is for elephant, F is for fox, G is for giraffe, H is for hippo. I is for iguana, J is for jellyfish, K is for koala, L is for lion, M is for monkey, N is for narwhal, O is for owl, P is for penguin. Q is for quail, R is for rhino, S is for snail, T is for turtle, U is for unicorn, V is for vulture, W is for whale, X is for Xrayfish, Y is for yak, Z is for zebra. A to Z, come sing with me. Learning animals is fun, you see.